So I'm sure we all remember watching the movies and seeing these guys do these crazy tricks with a butterfly knife. And we've always wanted to do it. So that's why I have challenged myself to do it in 7 days!
It is RIZ and we're here again. And we open. Now this is a butterfly knife. Not exactly, because it's not sharp, as you can see. However, this is a practice butterfly knife, so you use this to practice. I don't know how to use these. I've seen them do it in the movies. I don't know how to do it. I'm thinking an hour a day of practicing this by watching YouTube tutorials. I want to be good at everything, so we just got to train, training, and that's the only way you're going to get better, training. Oh, and I dropped it because that is what I do. And hopefully I didn't put a dent in the floor because it's pretty, and I nearly dropped it again. Oh my god, okay. So as you can see, I am not really too good with handheld weaponry. However, we are going to try our best to get better by watching YouTube tutorials. So we're 10 minutes in and I'm trying a trick. Let me show you what I'm trying to do. So you start off here, like this. No, like this. You flip it. Then you flip it down. You flip it in. And it should just be one motion. So I'm gonna open it, flick it out, flick it in, flick it in, flick it in, flick it in, and it's closed. I'm telling you, I'm getting good at this. Oh. Obviously, sometimes you have a little bit of thing. That sound is so satisfying. See you tomorrow. So this is what we learned first day. There you go. There you can see a little head. See you guys in an hour. And just like that, I perfected the second move. There you go. So that's closing it. Then I put it back here. And as you can see, I'm able to spin it around. So as you can see here, spun around the thumb, back down. Try not drop it. There you go. My mum's gonna get mad because she's sleeping downstairs, but it is what it is. So that's day 2. Second trick learnt. I'll see you guys day 3. It's getting better, guys. It's getting really, very much better. I keep hitting that though. See, I messed myself up at the gym. Yeah, I just dropped a weight and then I tried to catch it and it just cut me. So this knife, this dummy knife, keeps hitting it. Third day. So now we're learning the next one. Yeah, man, I got some marked up face. What's happening? Okay. So I'm gonna put a timer on. I'll be back when I've learnt this, which is an hour's time. We are 40 minutes in, and this is what I got of this trick. You're here. Wow. And I messed up already. So it goes around, catch it with 3, it spins around, you catch up here, spin it back around, spin it down, spin it down. Oh my god, I can't believe I just did that so smoothly. One part. Oh. The hour is done. I'm just so happy that I can do it really well. At first, it was real robotic. It was like that. Now, oh, I did it, and it's fast, and it's not like a thing that I do every single time because it's actually very difficult. So you're here, you're there, you're there, and you're there like that. I did it again. Let's see if I can do it 3 times in a row. There. Okay, no, I messed up. There, and there, and there, and there, and there, and there, and bang! And then we got the other moves, we whip out the other moves. Bat, bat, bat. Oh, there. It was the 3rd day, and I'll see you on day 4. Let's go. Today is Thursday, so it's the 4th day. Here it is, guys. My finger still is hurting, kind of. Should we go an hour, starting from now, and I'll see you guys soon. I'm looking big. Anyway, see you guys soon. So this is Thursday, day 4, and I'm not gonna lie, there was one move that I really wanted to learn, but I couldn't learn it. So this is like later because I forgot to record the ending. But I did an hour, and this is what I had. You flick out using the safe handle. You put your finger here, and you're supposed to spin and just keep going. But I can't do it for some reason. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what. Like I just don't know what's happening. Today wasn't really that good. This one was difficult though. I don't know. There was a different. I opened a different video. Maybe the guy wasn't that good at explaining as well, so I'm not sure. However, we'll be back to learn tomorrow. See you guys later. And here we are. Friday. Open up the butterfly knife again with a very, very bad day yesterday. I just couldn't. I don't know, I just couldn't do it. We're going to move on to another trick because I just couldn't do it. No matter what I tried, no matter what I did, I just couldn't do it, you know? So right now I'm going to get back to learning, put the 1 hour timer on. And let's go. Currently I'm working on this move. Let me show ya. Start here, safe handle. Like this. Up. Down, and then you flick, this is come like this, you flick here, you flick down. So it looked really cool when the guy did it on the, see that looks cool, like even when I messed it up it still looked cool. That, oh no, that's wrong. That, yeah. That. See, look, it looks cool. I think I got around half an hour left, so I'm just going to practice that one. This one was so much easier than that rotation one I was trying to do yesterday. So yeah, I'm back. And I put a hoodie on because it's cold. Here's the update with the trick. I still can't, when it's here, I still can't kind of catch that. It's difficult because it's quick. So you have to be like, it's here, when you flick it over you have to catch it straight away, so it's a bit difficult. However, yeah, I'm getting better at it. Especially the switch part. There's a switch part there where you go back, and then you switch. So it's coming up, you switch, bring it back, you bring it back out. It's mainly the catching that I'm difficult, but like that is difficult for me. But yeah, I'll be back in 15. So I'll see you then. I've done it. Let me show you. Here we are. So normally you hold it like this. You put your palm down. You flick in. You flick down. Then when you flick down, so you flick up, you go side, then it should look like this. You flick up, and then you flick in. So now I know the technique, you just have to speed it up. And I've kind of sped it up. It's alright. See? And I could probably do it faster. Yeah. As you can see, whoa, man just dropped it. Let me let it hit. See? So that's the trick, guys. So I think that has been a successful couple days, except from yesterday. So yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna do it for the 6th day. You know what? I'm just clumsy. I just keep dropping stuff. We've got a red knuckle there, as you can see. And yeah. See you tomorrow. So today I done my hour. It's finished. Today was an hour of literally perfecting what I had, so I can perform real well tomorrow. You know what I mean? So I didn't learn anything new because I was trying to learn some stuff and it was just messed. But what I did do was I just perfected what I knew and I got quicker. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the final day. I'm gonna do a show. So we took 5 days to master our skills. We took 1 day to practice and perfect. And the last day is the show. So I hope you guys enjoyed Day 7 show. So, I can say that although I haven't become a master at the art of balisong flipping and balisong knives, butterfly knives, I can say that I have learned a lot from going from opening like this to open it like that. And I think it's not too hard, so I think everyone can try it. If you guys enjoyed this video, there's a video right here to my left, your right, I'm not sure. There's a video right here that I know you're going to enjoy. So make sure you head over to that one.